a promise or offer, or to describe the consequences of an action. We use shall in a similar way to will, but mostly to ask for and to make offers and suggestions. It is mainly used with I and we when making questions. Let's listen to two friends talk about the future of their sports team. Try to write down or remember when they use will and shall.
Who do you think will be the next captain of the team? Well, it won't be Sultan, if he doesn't turn up on time to the games. That's true. Our manager will be very angry if he does that again. Will you support me if I ask to be captain? Of course. I shall be your loudest supporter. Thanks, Ali. Okay, shall we go? Yes, I'll call a taxi right now.
So, Ali and Saif use will and shall several times. Let's look at the examples and learn how to use will and shall correctly. In future simple, after will, we use the bare infinitive form of the verb. For example, we very often contract the subject and will. This will help you to sound more fluent and natural when speaking. The negative form is will plus not, which is usually contracted to won't. Again, we use the bare infinitive after won't. For example, to make questions, we use will or won't plus subject plus the bare infinitive. When we make a negative question, we always use the contracted form won't. When we use shall in a positive sentence, we can use any subject. But when we make questions with shall, we usually only use the subjects I and we. So, to recap, let's try a couple of quick questions. What is the correct answer here? That's right, B, because we use the bare infinitive after will. Look at these two sentences. Which is the correct word? That's right, the first sentence uses shall, because you are making an offer. The second sentence uses will, because it is trying to make a prediction or guess about the future. Now, it's time to practice.